Now, it's a great idea to add this new city to the presets. Find your most memorable view of the city and go down in the menu and click Save City as a preset. Now it's complete. Let's go to the preset and find your city. There it is. You see, the name of the preset comes from the name of the object of your city. Let me show you where your city has been saved as a preset. By default, it will be in MegaCitigen's installation folder in the folder named Projects. Let's compare how much disk space your city takes up as a preset, compared to its regular Blender project file. It's about 1 megabyte. Now let's compare that with our regular Blender project file. It's 461 megabytes. So, it takes 461 times less hard disk space if you save your city as a preset.